Town is where it all started, right? It all started for Jasprit Bumrah 3 years back, and he's posted a very nice social media message also saying that obviously he's more mature 3 years down the line, and obviously he's the leader of the Indian attack. I still remember Ravi Shastri and Bharat Arun telling me that story that they were at a Durga Puja in Calcutta, and on the way back there was a bit of a traffic jam, and that's when Ravi Shastri got Bharat Arun to call Jasprit Bumrah and say that he was in his scheme of things as far as test match cricket is concerned. Booms obviously was excited. They did not want to make it public and asked him to keep it under wraps for a couple of months, and then obviously wanted to unleash Jasprit Bumrah in South Africa, and the rest is history. Clearly, the Indian captain Virat Kohli knows the importance of Jasprit Bumrah and how, the kind of sort of impact Jasprit Bumrah has had as far as the Indian team is concerned. And Virat is effusive in his praise for Jasprit Bumrah. Bumrah once again will be key to India's chances in Cape Town. Here's Virat Kohli in one of his past interviews talking about Jasprit Bumrah and the impact Booms has had. Take a listen.
Well, it's the mindset. When you put your mind to a certain thing, you strive towards it. He definitely wants to be the best bowler in the world, and there's no question about it. He's molded his life like that. He's molded his discipline, his work ethic, the way he trains, the way he takes care of his diet, the way he bowls as much as he has to. He has absolute control of what he's doing. So when he steps onto the field, he knows how much he can contribute for the team. And as I said, it's really pleasing to see a guy who was tagged as a T20 specialist first, and then he came in and took over the one-day scene, and now he's taking over Test cricket. So, he's proving people wrong that there's a set template for every format. If you have belief, you can play all three formats of the game, and I totally vouch for that as well. So, he definitely has the mindset to succeed and excel in all formats, and he wants to be the best in the world.
Now that was Virat Kohli talking about Jasprit Bumrah. What makes Booms unique? Why is he so impactful? Now, this is a question that all of us have asked each other. Experts and analysts have debated time and again that what is it about Jasprit Bumrah that he has had such an impact on international cricket? West Indian great Andy Roberts was asked this question by our correspondent Devashish Sen, and this is what he had to say. Andy Roberts, one of the greats, perhaps one of the greatest actually to come out of the West Indies table. If you ask Clive Lloyd how good Andy Roberts was, and he will say right up there. So coming from Andy Roberts, important words about the importance and effectiveness of Jasprit Bumrah and why he's unique. Take a listen.
Well, because there's no rhythm. I think a lot of batsmen, adjust themselves to the rhythm of the bowler, but with Bumrah there's no rhythm. He just walks up, break into a run, and then bum, he's on you. And he has this straight arm. Everything about him is straight arm. There's no bending of his left arm or right arm. Everything is straight. So it's difficult for you to focus.
One of the most important things as far as Jasprit Bumrah is concerned, and something that we love to see, ask Keshav Maharaj and he will tell you as well, are his Yorkers. Clearly something that he has mastered over time, and we had shown you a beautiful story as to how he mastered his Yorkers by staying at home and bowling when his mother was asleep. That's where he could practice during the summer hours. But someone who has been there with Bumrah is one of the better exponents of Yorkers in the world. Someone who knows exactly how Bumrah does his art was his Mumbai teammate, former Mumbai teammate, as I can say, Trent Bolt. Once again, a very good day for Trent Bolt against Bangladesh. Now here is Trent Bolt, and this interview is thanks to Amazon Prime and the partnership with New Zealand Cricket. Here is Trent Bolt talking about Jasprit Bumrah and his art of Yorkers. Take a look.
Yeah, that guy is phenomenal. I've really enjoyed the partnership and the friendship that I've created with him over the last couple of seasons. I've done a lot of meet and greets and a lot of Zoom and virtual kind of meetings and media sessions and talking about him. And he's just a smooth operator. He's very clear on what he tries to do. And I always joke that he seemed to have made my job a lot easier as well, because he was just so accurate and precise at the end with the death bowling that he offers. And he's definitely destined for big things. And that whole franchise as a whole, it's been a great learning curve, a great experience to, I suppose, see how Mumbai operates. And 100%, I hope I get the chance to play for them again in the future.
What is important about Bumrah is his commitment to the game. He's a quick learner. and a dedicated learner at that. Obviously, he might not be a natural athlete like, say, a Virat Kohli. He might not be a natural athlete as like a Ravindra Jadeja, but that does not stop Bumrah to putting in that extra yard. A terrific head on his shoulders, one of the most thinking cricketers around, and someone who can grasp what he needs to do very, very quickly. This is a fantastic story narrated by former India fielding coach R. Sridhar about how Bumrah sort of learned or learns very, very quickly and then implements that on the field. Very interesting insight into the mind of Jasprit Bumrah. Take a listen.
I told this other day to someone else also. Let me rewind you to a catch Bumrah dropped of Marnus Labuschagne in the first Adelaide pink ball test in Adelaide in 2021-20. Our first test after the COVID break. So he was running on the boundary line. Labuschagne hooked Shami, and Bumrah was very close to the boundary line. He tried to palm the ball off and he ended up dropping the catch because he was not sure. So there was a lot of negative talk. So I went to Bumrah and said, Booms, this is white ball cricket effect. In white ball cricket, if you're not sure you're going to catch the ball and stay inside the line, you palm the ball off so that you save those 4 runs. Okay, which could be the result, which could be the difference between win or lose. But in red ball cricket, it is the taking the catch. And if you can manage yourself inside the line, great. If you go over, doesn't matter. It's a difference of 6 runs. It's not a big thing, but the catch is more important than those 4.
Far more.
So you need to catch the ball and then try and keep yourself inside the line. If you don't succeed in it, doesn't matter. But in white ball cricket, you have to save those 4 runs. It could be the difference between win and lose. So the approach to the same catch in white ball and red ball will be very different. And that is the decision a player has to take in that split second. So that was a great lesson for the entire team. I brought it up for the entire team in the next day morning huddle. This happened. This is a great lesson for all of us. That split second decision, Bumrah, hangover of the IPL and hangover of the white ball cricket, try to do something which is not needed in test cricket. That is a great learning. So every mistake is a chance to harness the mistakes and learn from it.
So there you have it. A number of people have already spoken, but what about his teammates? His teammates who always inhabit the same space. They bowl together with Jasprit Bumrah. They know how important Booms is from their standpoint as an Indian team. What do they feel about Jasprit Bumrah? Clearly, as a teammate, he's a special teammate. What are the Indian team members saying about Jasprit Bumrah? Please take a look.
2-4 मैच से आप रिजल्ट नहीं निकाल सकते, 2-4 मैचों से आप उसकी जो एबिलिटी है उसको आप इग्नोर नहीं मार सकते। बुमराह ने जो आपके लिए करके दिया है, आप उसको कैसे भूल सकते हो या उसको कैसे आप इग्नोर मार सकते हो? तो मेरे हिसाब से पॉजिटिव में अगर पॉजिटिव जाओगे तो आपके प्लेयर्स के लिए भी अच्छा है, बच्चे के कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए भी अच्छा है, सारी चीज़ों में इम्प्रूव होता है उसमें।
बूम की क्वालिटी पे मेरे को लगता नहीं किसी को कोई शक होना चाहिए, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। वो एक्सेप्शनल बॉलर है और जो उसने जब से उसने डेब्यू किया है, जैसा उसने परफॉर्म किया उसके बाद से, जैसा उसने अपने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में नाम बनाया, तो उसके हिसाब से मेरे को लगता नहीं कि किसी को उसकी चीज़ पे कोई क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए।
Now that was our celebratory segment on Jasprit Bumrah. The Tufan or the Palatte man, whatever you want to call it. Clearly someone who has had a telling impact on Indian and world cricket, and going into Cape Town where the cycle comes full. 3 years back, that's where he started. 3 years down the line, he goes back to Cape Town on the cusp of history. His team on the cusp of history. Can he win India this particular test match? And it will be a real cherry on top or icing on the cake, or can I say thumbs up. Jasprit Bumrah, all the very, very best to you. Wishing you all the best for this particular test match. Keep entertaining, keep winning test matches for India. Thanks for watching.